Hello, friends. Imagine a world governed solely by pure logic and scientific reasoning. No divine forces, no spiritual solace. Just cold, hard facts dictating our beliefs and behaviors. Such a reality seems unsettling despite society's secular shift. This discomfort unveils an innate human need that transcends material existence, the longing for deeper meaning, purpose, and connection. Religions have fulfilled this craving for millennia, offering moral frameworks, community ties, and existential explanations. As modernity challenges traditional belief systems, can religions adapt to stay meaningful? Or will alternative philosophies step in to fill the void? The role and relevance of religions in contemporary societies has been the subject of intense debate and scrutiny. With the world becoming more interconnected, traditional religious doctrines are facing new challenges. Questions about the relevance of religions today arise because of secularization, scientific progress, and evolving moral and ethical beliefs. This discourse demands a nuanced examination of the factors shaping the interplay between religions and modernity. Today, religions face the challenge of secularization and coexistence of diverse beliefs. Secularization denotes the waning role of religion in public affairs and governance, as decisions are increasingly guided by reason, evidence, and secular morals. In Western nations, the separation of church and state has become a fundamental principle, making this process prominent. The decline of religious influence in public institutions like education, government, and the legal system has weakened their traditional authority. Rational discourse, scientific evidence, and principles of human rights have now heavily shaped policy, laws, and social norms, replacing religious doctrines. Individuals and communities now embrace a wide spectrum of religious and non religious ideologies, making the world more pluralistic. The exposure to diverse belief systems because of globalization, migration, and the free flow of information has challenged the dominance of any single religion or belief system. The existence of diversity has caused tensions and conflicts between belief systems as they vie for followers and assert their claims to truth and morality. In diverse societies, religions no longer hold exclusive authority over truth and morality as people are exposed to various perspectives and can freely choose their own beliefs. The freedom of choice has led to a more individualistic and diverse approach to spirituality as people embrace a spiritual but not religious mindset and combine ideas from different traditions. The presence of different belief systems in one society has emphasized the importance of understanding, tolerance, and respect for religious freedom, striking a delicate balance between religious groups' rights and secularism can be a contentious issue for governments and institutions, leading to legal challenges. However, if we go by the surge in right wing ideologies in different parts of the world, like Turkey, Russia, and India, etc., one can safely deduce that religion will not disappear from this world anytime soon. The tensions between religious faith and secular doctrine play out prominently in India, the world's largest democracy with a deeply pluralistic society. Despite India's constitutionally mandated secularism, religion retains an influential role in social and political spheres. Hindu nationalism, advanced by the ruling Bharatiya Janata Party or BJP, aims to establish India as a Hindu nation, elevating Hindu cultural identity over the secular ideals of separation between religion and state. The Hindu supremacist agenda alienates India's religious minorities like Muslims and Christians while stoking communal divisions. Supporters view Hindu nationalism as a rightful celebration of India's Hindu civilizational roots after centuries of foreign subjugation. Critics condemn it as an assault on India's pluralistic fabric, jeopardizing the nation's secular founding vision. The ideological tug of war rages as fundamental rights and personal freedoms are increasingly curbed in the name of Hindu revivalism. Contentious issues like religious conversions, cow protection laws, temple governance, and minority appeasement policies remain flashpoints, testing India's delicate balance between majoritarianism and minority protections. Violence occasionally erupts as extremist groups transgress constitutional boundaries by advancing their religious agendas through intimidation tactics. Yet polls suggest the BJP's Hindu nationalist appeals still resonate with many Indians disillusioned by previous secular regimes perceived as inept or discriminating against Hindu interests. The popular backlash highlights a yearning for policy making guided by socio-cultural traditions over Western liberal democratic ideals. At the heart of India's polarizing religion secularism conflict lies a deeper quandary whether minority religious communities should conform to a perceived majoritarian Hindu ethos versus India retaining its constitutionally enshrined pluralism as a federation of all faiths and sects. The resolution has profound implications, either empowering long marginalized Hindus to reclaim their usurped primacy or eroding India's secular democracy into a Hindu supremacist state renounced by its secular ideological founders. As the debate rages, India may very well determine the future role of religion versus secularism in modern diverse societies. Traditional religious doctrines have faced significant challenges because of the advancement of science and technology. With the growth of scientific knowledge and our increasing understanding of the natural world, conflicts may arise between religious beliefs based on faith and dogma and empirical evidence and rational inquiry. The divide between science and religion is becoming more noticeable in multiple fields of investigation. Charles Darwin's theory of evolution has sparked controversy among religious communities, especially those who interpret sacred texts literally. The concept of life evolving through natural selection conflicts with religious beliefs of a divine creator shaping life. The conflict has sparked debates and controversies about teaching evolution in schools and its acceptance in religious communities. Advances in cosmology, neuroscience, and genetics offer alternative explanations for phenomena once considered divine or supernatural. The Big Bang Theory explains the origin of the universe, contradicting traditional religious beliefs about creation. By studying the brain, neuroscientific research has revealed insights into human consciousness and decision making, prompting inquiries into the possibility of a non physical soul or spirit. With the rise of education and scientific literacy in societies, people are becoming more familiar with scientific discoveries and rational ways of thinking. The exposure to conflicting views can make it challenging for some to reconcile religious teachings with scientific truths. The conflict between faith and empirical evidence has prompted some people to adopt more rational and evidence based worldviews, which may undermine religious authority and influence in their lives. It is crucial to recognize that the connection between science and religion is intricate and nuanced. Many religious traditions have integrated scientific discoveries into their belief systems, either by reinterpreting them or by distinguishing between the domains of science and faith. There are scientists who believe that science and religion can peacefully coexist as they deal with different aspects of human existence. Science focuses on exploring the physical realm, while religion delves into existential inquiries and the search for purpose. Moral and ethical frameworks have been dominated by religions throughout history, influencing how individuals behave and shaping social norms. However, as societies progress and face new moral challenges, conventional religious teachings may struggle to adapt to the complexities of contemporary living. Complex topics like reproductive rights, LGBTQ plus rights, environmental conservation, and bioethical concerns often demand flexible and contextual approaches that go beyond the strict doctrines of traditional religions. The inability of religious institutions to adapt to the fast pace of technological and social progress has caused a gap between their moral teachings and current ethical discussions. The dwindling presence of institutional religion in Western Europe exemplifies the obstacles traditional religions confront in the world today. Over the past few decades, religious affiliation and participation in many European nations has decreased significantly despite their history of Christian dominance. Surveys from organizations like the Pew Research Center and the European Values Study reveal a significant number of people in countries like France, the Netherlands, Sweden, and the United Kingdom identify as non religious or atheists. This phenomenon is believed to result from several factors such as growing secularization, exposure to diverse perspectives, and disillusionment with religious organizations because of scandals or clashes with contemporary ideals. Traditional religious institutions in Western Europe have lost influence in shaping public discourse and policy making because of the decline of institutional religion. Yet, it is vital to acknowledge that this trend does not signify a complete dismissal of spirituality or the quest for significance. Despite the decrease in organized religion, there has been a simultaneous increase in the spiritual but not religious or SBNR phenomenon, especially among younger generations. This phenomenon describes people who reject traditional religious structures and beliefs yet still pursue personal meaning, transcendence, and spiritual fulfillment using alternative methods. The SBNR movement encompasses a diverse array of beliefs and practices ranging from ancient philosophies like Buddhism and Taoism to newer age spiritualities and personal growth movements. They frequently select specific aspects from different traditions to form their own spiritual paths, aligning with their beliefs and perspectives. People are drawn to the SBNR trend because it offers flexibility and emphasizes individual exploration and autonomy. Unlike traditional religions that enforce strict beliefs and hierarchies, the SBNR approach empowers individuals to shape their spiritual paths according to their own circumstances. Religions have not become completely irrelevant despite the challenges of secularization, scientific advancements, and evolving moral frameworks. Despite the changing times, religious beliefs and practices remain a source of solace, community, and guidance for many individuals, influencing social movements, charitable initiatives, and ethical discussions. For religions to stay relevant and influential, they must confront the complexities of the modern world, tackle existential questions, and adapt their teachings to resonate with contemporary values and concerns with different religious traditions. Within different religious traditions, progressive movements are already working to reconcile religious teachings with contemporary realities, leading to a process of adaptation and reinterpretation. One illustration of this is how certain Christian groups have re evaluated scriptural passages using a modern approach, resulting in a more inclusive and progressive stance on issues like LGBTQ plus rights and gender equality. In a similar vein, Islamic scholars have made efforts to re evaluate and place religious texts in context, focusing on topics such as women's rights, environmental responsibility, and scientific advancement. As religions adapt to modern challenges, alternative ideologies and philosophies offer additional insights into existential questions and moral dilemmas. For example, secular humanism promotes an ethical and scientific approach to human well being, focusing on reason, empathy, and the inherent value of individuals. Existentialism, like other influential philosophical movements, examines human existence, freedom, and the search for meaning in a seemingly adverse universe. Jean-Paul Sartre and Albert Camus, as existentialist thinkers, have provided deep insights into the human condition and the individual's responsibility in shaping their own lives while rejecting traditional religious narratives. These non religious alternative worldviews give individuals more options to navigate the complexities of the 21st century world. These frameworks offer guidance for ethical dilemmas, purpose seeking, and personal development by combining ancient wisdom and modern philosophy. The relevance of religions has become a complex question that defies simple answers. Despite facing challenges from secularization, scientific advancements, and evolving moral frameworks, traditional religious doctrines continue to wield influence over billions of people globally and have vital roles in shaping societies, cultures, and individuals' lives. In order to remain influential, religions must adapt and reinterpret, addressing present concerns and aligning their teachings with modern values and scientific knowledge. Progressive movements in various religious traditions are already working to reconcile religious teachings with contemporary realities. Secular humanism and existentialism offer complementary perspectives on existential questions and moral dilemmas, giving individuals more choices to navigate the complexities of life. The relationship between religion and modernity is an ever changing conversation influenced by the needs and goals of people and communities. While the role of traditional religions may evolve, the enduring human need for community, meaning, and spiritual fulfillment ensures that religions will continue to play an important role in our life.